Hi dear students, in today's class we will have the revision of Act 2, Scene 8. So here in this scene, from the words of Saladino and Salanio, we will come to know that Shylock discovers the elopement of his daughter Jessica, and he also discovers that Jessica took some of his jewels and money during the elopement. And this incident, it intensifies Shylock's hatred towards Christians and his desire to take revenge against Antonio. And then from here, from the words of Saladino, we will understand that there is a ship, right? And they hope that that ship is not of Antonio's. And one more thing we can notice from this scene, that is Antonio's love towards Bassanio. This scene takes place in Venice, a street under Saladino and Salanio. The main characters discussed in scene 8, Saladino and Salanio. They speak about the elopement of Jessica, and from their words we can understand that Jessica and Lorenzo, they are not in the ship of Bassanio. And Shylock, when he realized that Jessica eloped with a Christian boy, then he went to the Duke and forced him to search Bassanio's ship. But when Duke came to search Bassanio's ship, then the ship already left the harbor. Then from the bystanders, the Duke came to know that Jessica and Lorenzo, they were not in Bassanio's ship, but they were in a gondola or a small ship. And more than that, Antonio also gave a surety, or he assured to the Duke that Jessica and Lorenzo, they are not there on the Bassanio's ship. And then we will see from the words of Salanio about the outbreak of emotions, or the outburst of emotions of Shylock once he realizes his daughter deceived him. And he was just crying on the street of Venice about the decade's daughter. And from his words we will understand the things that were taken by Jessica. It is decades, double decades, then jewels, then the precious stones. And in a way, Shylock was wandering there on the street of Venice. And after speaking about this, they discussed that if Antonio is not able to pay back the amount on time, then Shylock will surely take revenge against Antonio. And at the same time, they had heard a particular rumor about a shipwreck from a Frenchman, and they hope that it is not of Antonio's ship. Then they discuss about the departure of Bassanio, and here in a way they say that Antonio loves Bassanio more than anything. And when Bassanio said Antonio that he will come back as soon as possible from Belmont, then Antonio says to Bassanio that don't hurry up, you do the business there and you achieve your goal there. What is the goal? To marry Portia. And my bond, the bond between me and Shylock, it should not interfere with your love suit there in Belmont, but instead of that you have to perform very well there, and you should have a proper display of love there in Belmont, so that can bring credit on you. And then they discussed about the departure, how Bassanio departed or parted from Antonio. At the time of departure, Antonio was in a way, he was crying, he was totally sad. And then finally Saladino and Salanio says that it is better that you should go and find out Antonio and cheer him up. So in Act 2, Scene 8, we will see from the words of Saladino and Salanio that Shylock discovers the elopement of Jessica, taking some of his possessions and money, jewels and stones. And here in the same scene we will find that there is a shipwreck, and it happened there in the English Channel. And the third theme that we will discuss in this scene, it is about the departure of Bassanio, how Bassanio parted from Antonio. Hope that it is clear to you, and if there is any doubt, contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day.